table for, table of, talent for, talk about, talk on, about, talk with, talks between, talks on, about, talks with, taste for, taste in, taste of, tax on, teacher of, tendency for, tendency to, test for, test in, test of, test on, textbook on, thanks for, thanks to, thesis on, thirst for, thought for, thought of, about, thoughts on, ticket for, ticket to, tip on, for, tolerance of, for, towards, trade in, trade with, training in, traitor to, transition from, transition to, translation from, translation into, trouble with, tuition for, tuition in, uncertainty about, understanding of, use of, vacancy for, vaccine against, victory over, against, view about, on, view of, visit to, way of, wish for, witness to, worry about, over, worry to, for,